Boys, I'm standing right next to Misa's car. I'm not gonna show you guys yet, but when they went to go buy it, I didn't go with them. I had to go to work. I told them to record. I don't know what they recorded, but from what I hear, it's a bunch of bullshit. So I'm gonna play that real quick.
It's fucking, what time is it? Oh shit.
7:12.
7:12 in the morning. We out here. About to go cop a car. We fucking overslept a couple hours because we're about to see what's going on. Cop or no cop. And then we'll see you guys there. Shot. So we made it to Stockton. And we checked out the car. It looked pretty cool. Nigga didn't like my intro.
Straight left, right.
Straight and then take a left. So we're on our way to get the cash. Update. Just got the money out the bank. Headed on my way to look at the car one last time. We finna see. Hopefully we don't break down on the way over there and I don't crash or some shit. Don't jinx it.
Bro, look at your boy. Chloe, please bully Misa. Look at him. That boy, right when we bought the car, look at him. He was trying to swing you. He's trying to be cool like me. Look at him.
Fucking that, bro. Fucking that.
Left hand side, so you can see the time. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, bro. No problem. Thank you. Put it back with there. Thank you, my friend. Have a good one, guys. Okay, guys. Take care.
Got me some Dutch Bros. Fire. Horchata frappe from Starbucks is way better than this shit. Fuck yeah. Steve, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Steve, that nigga Steve though.
Alright guys, don't do whatever the fuck I just did. Retarded ass move at the lot. Fucking up. SMH my head. That shit do be looking clean though. I ain't even lie.
cut?
Shit, that's who. Shout out to Ramon the barber. Hit him up for cuts. You know.
What's this nigga just
San Jose area only though. If you know, you know.
Danny delete that.
Don't delete that, please.
What?
I'm gonna go around the car so you guys can get a little look. Yes sir, that leather interior is fucked as hell right now. Because you feel me? Oh, me, huh? 10? Ooh, that 10 is gonna go crazy.
Yeah, man.
You already know. Little LS. Somebody take my car away, bruh.
Make fun of him in the comments.
For real, make fun of me in the comments. Oh my.
Tell that nigga to hurry up.
You know what? In my defense, fuck that carpet. Carpet can go suck my dick.
Let's take it out right now.
For real, huh?
Bro, I'm waiting for Misa right now. He's about to get fucking, I don't know if he's getting straight pipe or what he's getting, but this fool's stripping. He barely got the car. He's already going straight pipe. Fuck. He's right there though. Look at him. Huh? Oh my god. Dude, this can gap you.
Alright, bring it up then.
This is hella clean though, nigga.
Love it, though.
The inside. Is there hella tint in the back still? Oh. Oh shit, you left the window open. That's not bad. That's not a little crack. It's a little crack. But still. Mrs. new whip though. Sheesh. The thing is, I feel kind of gangster in this car. Just pulling up on the block.
I get 10. This nigga doesn't know how to act. Look at this nigga. Oh my. Let's get them.
It's about to sound cool, bro, for real. Ew, what the fuck? Who the fuck left this shit here, bro?
Actually,
Drink some, drink some.
hell no, you got me.
I'm drinking if you pay for it.
Oh, hell no, dude. Hell no. Actually? No, that's nasty.
There's actually coronavirus in a bottle.
More gas. More gas. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's good. Okay. That's cool, that's cool. Oh. Nigga's mad. You hear the wind more than the exhaust. Fuck, that's fucked up, bro, for real. Oh shit, bro. Oh damn. Bro, that shit's loud. Bro, this was tripping, bro. Look at the tips, though. How do you feel about it now, bro?
I fucking love it, bro. I fucking, oh, nigga.
You like that?
Christmas came early, bro.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
These ones are cool. These ones are cool.
Hell on me, huh?
Hell yeah, nigga.
Which one minute?
Bro, this was tripping with this loud ass exhaust. Yes, but not now. Oh, we entered the freeway. When we go on the freeway.
Okay.
Bro, oh shit. That sounds way better and it looks
Hell
Give me
yeah,
some.
Hell yeah.
That's what's up, nigga. That's what's up. Dude, that shit fucking, oh my ass, dude. That shit scared the shit out of me. And just go a little bit. Like, just like a little, like you're about to pretend. That's stupid loud.
What the fuck?
This was so shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
You're tripping, Misa. Oh, that shit sounds nice. Bro, once you... This sound, give me some, bro. That shit's so sick.
Where'd I go?
Just go straight, keep going straight.
I'm fucking, I'm fucking beyond happy, nigga. Beyond fucking happy. Listen to this shit.
Like the way it just cruises too, it sounds nice. Like that's it, that little...
Oh, I put an exhaust on? I didn't even realize.
Let's get him, bro. Let's get him.
Was that the truck? Oh, wait.
Oh my god, bro, this fool! Someone come get this fool! Is it police? I don't know.
You're retarded, bro. You're retarded. You're retarded, bro.
I guess there was police, Ty.
Oh, yeah. Hey, it looks kind of funky right now just because it's stock. It's whatever. It looks like whatever, okay. But the build that I have in my head, nigga, oh.
It's gonna
Wait on it.
just wait, boys. Y'all see it. You will see it, bro. You guys will see it.
No.
Oh hell no, bro! You're tripping. You're tripping, Misa.
Oh, nigga.
We haven't even showed them the car, really. This is the car, boys. Oh, dude, those tips make it look so sick, though.
When I was slamming, it's strong.
It's a pretty cool, boys. Bro, these tips. Oh. 1997 LS400, boys. This shit's clean, though. Misa's new project. Little by little, you're gonna start seeing this shit come together, bro, for real. Interior's cool, bro. Show them around the interior a bit. It's kind of dirty because of the tint, but the fucking interior is pretty mint.
Some the roof, some the roof.
Oh yeah, the sunroof's fucking sick. It's fucking huge.
Like this.
It's probably the coolest part right here, huh?
Huh?
The coolest part right here.
Yeah, hell yeah.
But it's clean, boys. It's clean. The tips are tips are insane, bruh. One more look at the tips for y'all real quick. The tips make it look like it's a fucking some savage ass shit, bruh. We're not here, boys. What's going on? The end of the video. Appreciate all the support, boys. We're like 6 subscribers away. We appreciate all the support on the videos. Let us know what you think of Misa's car. Little by little, you know, mods are coming. More mods for the GTI. Just more videos in general, you know what I mean? But appreciate all the support, guys. Right now, you know how every YouTuber pull out the camera from the screen and then, but I was like, oh, let me switch it up. So I went, shit. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but it's a cool transition. I'm not gonna lie. I fuck with it. But I still got my star. I still got my shift knob. But that's it for the video, boys. Make sure to come back for the next video. I'm not sure. Tune coming soon, though, for sure. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.